Well, apparently TikTok isn't just for dance moves. Lifestyle expert Natalie Sexton joins us with a few recipes and food hacks that she's picked up on the app. Hi, Nat. I know that you've been hanging out in the TikTok world lately, and look what you found. Oh, and you've got your puppy there side by side with you today.
Angus is, well, there's food around, so of course.
Yeah, Angus is like, I'm in.
When it's fashion, we don't see him. When there's food, he's inches away from the table.
We know his priorities. I get it. So where should we start, Nat? What did you find?
Okay, so like you were saying, TikTok is a really cool social media platform, not just for dancing. I definitely don't have any of those videos out there. Nobody wants to see that. That would be a disaster. So the cool thing is that we can find some really great food hacks. So you can search TikTok just like you would, Instagram or Twitter. You can search hashtags. So first up, I love avocado toast. It's kind of become like a staple. It's a quick meal. I'll have it like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. But a really cool hack that I found is to make sweet potato toast. I don't know if you've tried this yet, Leslie. It's really good.
I love it, and I feel better about it being, that's obviously a healthier alternative to bread.
100%, and you can make them ahead. I'll kind of do maybe a couple of large potatoes up and have them at least for 3 to 4 days. And then just really simple here, I just mashed some avocado on top, but my secret ingredient, I love a little bit of spice, so I always add some kind of heat to everything. So Tabasco, I do love all the flavors, but one of my latest faves has been their green pepper sauce. So it's a really nice jalapeno flavor. It's great for somebody who maybe doesn't want to go too spicy, so you're still going to get like zesty and zingy. It's great. It complements really well with a little bit of salt and pepper. I added a little bit of chilies. You can use this on seafood. It's really nice too. And actually, a really cool hack as well is it's fantastic on melon, on cantaloupe.
What?
I know you might not think of pairing the two. I know. And you can find a ton of really cool recipes at tabascosauce.ca. So you can really kind of mix and match here, but that's my secret, kind of amps it up a little bit, gives a little bit of zing.
Nice. I'm going to try that. I haven't tried that flavor yet. That one looks good. Looks good. Okay.
Good.
What's next?
Okay, so next up, another fruit that I did discover through TikTok is prunes. So California prunes are a really great snack, even just on their own. So about 3 to 5 California prunes are going to give you your daily requirement of a serving of fruit. There's tons of fiber, which helps promote digestive health, bone health. So we're getting really great, nutritious, but really tasty snack here. But a really cool recipe that I actually found at californiaprunes.ca are these no-bake California prune power balls. I know that sounds like a mouthful. These are delicious. I know it's a tongue twister, but they're really easy to make. I love that they're no bake. So, often we want to have these really great healthy snacks, but they can be expensive to pick up. At the store, you only get a few. This recipe makes 24 of them, which is fantastic. Throw them in the freezer for up to a month or in the fridge for up to a week. There's really great sesame seeds in there. There's coconut, there's almond butter. So all the really healthy, delicious things that you want here, power packed into one snack. We're seeing a lot of these kind of, on the go protein-filled snacks are really popular. And I love that there's no baking required. We're all still really busy, whether we're working from home or not. So time is of the essence, and healthy snacks are fantastic. So load up on your California prunes.
I love that. Okay, very good, Nat. Thank you. Okay,
yes.
And finally.
Okay, last but not least, so this is just something that I thought was really cool. I love to meal prep. So I always do, a big batch of rice or quinoa at the start of the week. So I don't know if you've ever attempted making sushi rolls. I have, and it was an absolute disaster.
Yes, same. Absolutely.
A mess.
I leave it to the pros.
Cool. Yeah, exactly. So this is something cool that I did discover on TikTok, and it's a deconstructed sushi bowl. So I thought, what a great idea here. There's no skill required. So you're just going to load in your brown rice, which is what I usually do, and then top in exactly what you would love to do in a sushi roll. So I have a couple different options. Here's just a really simple vegetarian one with some shredded carrot, cucumber, and avocado. But you can add your protein too if you want to do shrimp or crab. You could do chicken. I kind of like this that you could do as a family as well. Kind of have, instead of maybe fajita night, you can do the deconstructed sushi bowl night too. Really healthy and yummy. And again, a great lunch or dinner option.
That's actually a really good idea because, as you say, you can add whatever protein you want in there, and there's just so much choice now. That's a much better idea because, getting in, messing around with the rice and getting the right consistency of rice to make the rolls.
Oh, no. I've had
right?
Yeah, a disaster. That never made it to my TikTok, my sushi rolls that I thought would look fantastic. But my deconstructed bowls, you can catch that recipe on there.
It made it to TikTok. Well, thanks for filling us in on TikTok, too, that you can search it as well. We appreciate you coming on the show, as always. Lifestyle expert Natalie Sexton. We'll see you again soon. We'll be back.